Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much and welcome. If you are returning, thank you. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. Go ahead, claim your leaf on the tree, because there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, today's video. First of all, let me start off by offering my apologies. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded. However, I have gone through some serious challenges with my back. Y'all know what that is all about. I've had some days that were extremely difficult. However, we're not even going to go there. All is well, so we're not going to dwell in the past, but my apologies. And I have so much to share with you. I went to the makeup show that was in DC the very first time ever, and it was amazing. And I wanted to kind of share some of the video footage that I took. I wanted to share it with you. I learned a lot. Danessa Myricks, that woman is amazing. She's such an inspiration. She's a very sweet, very humble lady. I'm telling you, she was amazing in person, and her skills are off the chain. Okay, then I met Fred, and check out his Instagram page, y'all. He goes by Fred for Face. And he did a presentation that was so amazing. My husband sat through the entire thing, shook his hand, and told him he appreciated and could finally understand a lot of things based on the information that he gave. Fred, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you so very much. And I also want to put it out there, thank you to my husband. He actually went and sat through the whole day with me and did not complain at all. We even spent a little bit more money than, maybe I would have if I was by myself. And I want to share, well, not everything that I purchased, but one thing in particular. I bought an airbrush machine. So that I'm going to be working with, and when I actually start using that machine, I want to share some of that with you as well. So those things. I want to talk about our giveaways. I am so far behind with the giveaways. We have a giveaway every month, and our July giveaway, we have to have a redo because these giveaways are currently just for the United States. And I had a lot of entrants from my subbies that are out of the country. So what I've actually been doing we'll talk about that later. So I have to do a redo on that one. Plus our August giveaway, that one is on the table as well. And I've already showed you the items for that. And I'll leave a link above so that those of you who are not remembering or would like to get some information about the items that are a part of the August giveaway. Now what I will do is I think I'm going to just go ahead and do the July giveaway and the August giveaway in the, I don't know. But what I would like to do, I want to give you the rules for the August giveaway. Okay. Now, I learned something in July, which I would like to implement for this August giveaway. Okay. Well, it's actually going to be the August giveaway. And that is, I have people who referred someone else to my channel, and they joined the Seasoned Beauties family. They claimed their leaf, and with doing that, I said, well, I can put that out there for everybody. So the items for the giveaway, as a matter of fact, I'm going to add even more to this giveaway because this particular project is pretty large. You have to be subscribed here, of course. Then you have to follow me on my Instagram. Not worried about Twitter. Don't have a Twitter page. We're not going all out like that. Okay. But the person that wins this giveaway, y'all have already seen the items in the giveaway. That part is already valued at over $85. But I have a couple more items that I want to add to that. And the reason that I want to add them is because the person who invites and that person subscribes to this channel and also my Instagram page, make sure you keep track of them, because the person who brings the most will get everything in this giveaway. Now, in addition to the items that are already on the table, like I said, I will put a link above. You will also, once you win, once you have been declared the winner, I will get your foundation and your concealer so that you will have a full entire face of makeup. Yes, I said it. You will have where you can do everything: your foundation, your concealer, your eyeshadow, your liner, your mascara, your blush, everything. Maybe even throw in a setting spray too. So you're worth it to me, and I appreciate the fact that you enjoy my content enough to share it with someone else. So the rules are, I will make sure I list them below in the description box. But the rules for the August giveaway, which is the full face of makeup, would be you have to be subscribed to this channel, Seasoned Beauties. You must follow me on Instagram, Seasoned Beauties, and bring the most new followers and subbies to the Seasoned Beauties family. You make sure that you keep a log of those that you invite and they do subscribe, and we will get these gifts to you. Now, please, please, please remember, for right now, these giveaways are only for the United States. Okay? I'm working hard on trying to find something that I can do for my subbies that are from other countries. I'm working on it. I have something in play because I appreciate you as well. Okay? Now, I think that's probably going to be it for this video for right now. Is there anything else I need to share with? No, I do want to tell you this. Thank you to everyone who has used, now see, this is bad English. To all of you who have used the link in the description box to subscribe to the Allure Beauty Box, I thank you so very much. Now, why am I telling you about this right now? Because I have received gifts from Allure for referring all of you. So I thank you. Guess what? That's going to be part of the giveaway. Okay, I have gotten 2 of the Oi sets. Okay, here they are. I have 2 of them. I'm going to give them both away. These are coming up. They'll either be a second giveaway in September, or they will be a part of September's giveaway. I don't know what it's going to be as of yet, but I want to put it out there. You know, I really do appreciate the fact that you do use those links below. So when I get, you get, and I get Curl Box, so I really do not have a need for these products. These are leave-in conditioners and scalp. This is scalp and body scrub. I don't know. No, I'm just joking. I'm not going to change my mind. These are for my subbies. I appreciate you so very much, and I am about that giving back life. So watch for the upcoming videos, okay? We're going to show you the footage from the makeup show. I'm going to show you parts of the demonstrations that Danessa Myricks did of Fred for Faces demonstration, and I'm going to show you my Temp 2 airbrush machine, okay? So that one's coming up. I have all of my unboxings that I have to get done. I do have my Ipsy, my BoxyCharm, my Yes Oh Yes, and I have my Target box. And guess what else? I have a box from the crayon case. How about that? So not only are we going to see an unboxing there, but we will also see what I can come up with. Get ready with me with those items too. So thank you so very much. I do hope that you enjoy this video. Okay, I don't know, did I tell you that the foundation and concealer that will be a part of the full face makeup giveaway, as soon as you win, you get to tell me your shade so that I can make sure you get your perfect shade. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Now, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.